Today I'm going to take you guys through what we consider the most revolutionary product we have launched within the high output lighting family to date. That which be the M18 radius LED compact sight light. So pretty big claim, right? The most revolutionary product that Milwaukee has launched within lighting, when we've launched killer products such as the stand light and things like that over the last couple of years. The reason why this product is so much different than everything else we've ever launched is what it has the opportunity to replace on a job site. If you take a look at this pile right here, this is a summation of job site lighting. You have everything from overhead AC lighting to ground-based area lighting, string lighting, that egress lighting, and then also that directional task lighting that you see all over job sites all over the United States. This product alone has the rich feature set in performance to replace any of these products on a job site. So how are we able to do that? For one, this product's more portable than anything else in the category with the feature set to compete in this task lighting category. It's bright enough to replace AC lighting. As you can see, we're lighting up this entire rotation with just one of these products. And then lastly, it has the adaptability to be used in many environments. As you can see, we're a third of the size of the nearest competitor, with the ability to take this, hang it overhead, place it above, on job sites and extend that light coverage. So to really deep dive and get an understanding of how we're going to compete in all aspects, we'll first talk about the performance of the product. So first off, 4,400 lumens of light output. So by far more impressive than anything else in the power tool industry. So that's 4,400 lumens on high. With that, you get some extra control that you wouldn't get with most products. So you get the standard high, medium, and low, which you get with pretty much any cordless lighting product. But what we get a little different this time is that we give you the ability to provide directional light. So that can help a user kind of twofold. When you shut off a bank of these lights, what you're able to do is to kick that back into runtime, so you can increase your runtime by about 40% at the push of a button. Or you can provide that directional lighting to do certain tasks and not try to blind you in the other areas. Also, when it comes to performance, we actually have a pretty neat trick up our sleeve. This is the light engine that's actually inside this product. So this bare light engine actually puts out considerably more than what we're marketing with this diffused lens. This light head itself puts out 6,700 lumens. So an incredible amount of light for a cordless product. The reason why it doesn't put as much light out with this lens on is due to the fact that we wanted to provide a high level of diffusion to reduce glare for anybody that works in close proximity to these products. What we are going to offer is a clear lens for this. So if someone that glare isn't an issue for them, they want to hang the product up overhead, they can buy that clear lens as a service part and up their performance by about 20% just by changing the lens. So that really covers how we're going to compete in the ground-based area and the task side. So how do we take this product, hang it overhead, and do it in an efficient way? So if we take a look at the base, we actually have a hook concealed in the base of this product. So this snaps down, doesn't interfere with the use of the product on a daily basis. But once you flip this up, you actually have hook capacity of about 3.5 inches, so it fits on all your standard 4x-dimensional lumber. But what we did, which seems pretty simple, but we found out quickly that we really needed this, is just this little indentation in the hook for pipe specifically. But really how it makes a difference is securing that in one spot. When this is flat, if something gets off balance, it's going to slide one side and increase the risk of it falling when it's hung overhead. So just that little feature helps that much in creating a safer environment to work in. In applications where this hook may not be enough, if you continue to swing this hook over, it actually creates a little pass-through in the base of this. So if 3.5-inch capacity isn't enough for what you want to hang it on, all you have to do is wire it with wire, twine, whatever you got. So really giving your readers the ability to put this light wherever they want it, whenever they want it. Last thing. So as far as how we're going to really compete in that sight light category, we've integrated the AC input adapter. So you can take your standard extension cord, plug it directly into the side of the product, similar to what we did last year with the AC/DC floodlight. We've taken it a step farther this year, and we also put an AC outlet on it as well. So you can string over 10 of these on a single 15-amp breaker. So if you want to provide a complete temporary lighting system on a job site, it can easily be done and in a much more efficient manner than what's out there today. So that really covers the features and stuff of the M18 sight light and how we segment ourselves from this commoditized-based market. But really, if these products aren't durable to live on a job site day in and day out, it really means nothing to us or your users. So what I'm going to show you guys now is a very aggressive impact demo where our product will survive and the competitor won't. We'll show you what happens when you drop a 15-pound weight on it. So directly right through the lens. We'll show you what happens with the compact sight light. So obviously you see what happened to the competitor versus us. Not to say this is an extremely common thing, but this is a quick way to show how far we've separated ourselves from a durability standpoint than anybody else in the industry. All right, so I'll connect. So as you can see, I've just named some of these products. So I have a floor demo down here, overhead demo, so you can assign specific names to each product. So we'll jump into the overhead demo. So if you guys were to kind of picture yourself on a job site, you may have 5, 10, 15, 20 of these on a job site. So the hard part when you have a one-to-one connection is identifying which light you're trying to connect. So down here at the bottom you see an identify tool icon. So I'll click on that. So that shows just the blink of the light shows which light I'm connected to. So I know that's the one I want to get into. So we'll start at the top and just kind of work our way down. The first piece is the power status. As we showed in the feature side of this, you have the ability to plug this product in, and then you also have the ability to run it off of a battery pack. Here, as you can see, it's plugged in, so you'll see this cord icon. If we were to unplug that, you'll see an icon similar to what you see on a standard cell phone. So just a graduated scale gives you a ballpark of how much battery capacity you have. As we work our way down, the first indicator is the light power. So real basic, turn the light on, turn the light off. And then the next setting is really replicating what is already on the product with electronic light control. So you can switch from one side to the other and then also create party mode. As we continue down, what separates the app from the actual product is the ability to change your brightness in infinite options. So you can just gradually slide this down the scale of brightness to really whatever you need. So if you're laying under a cabinet and you need to work very close up with this product, you can turn it down as much as you want so you're not staring into a significantly bright light. Or if you need to maximize your total light coverage, you can crank it up as high as you need to go. So that advantage is twofold. That obviously helps with the brightness of the light, but it also extends your runtime as you decrease the output. So while this product's plugged in, we've also implemented a couple additional features into this. So what you see here is a timer and program feature. So just to show what this will do, we'll set the timer for 1 minute. We'll start that, and in 1 minute I'll get through the program side of it. So on the program side, this is used to set schedules based on your work case. So if you know you're going onto a site, you're going to get there at 7 o'clock in the morning, you're going to work till 2 in the afternoon. You can set this to repeat Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, lock that in, set your start time. You get there at 7, say you want to start it at 6:45 in case somebody gets there early. Set that. Then you set the off time, say you quit at 2 o'clock. You set that. And then you can also set a reminder. So 5 minutes before the light shuts off, based on the schedule, it will actually indicate that it's going to shut off. So if you're on a ladder, anything like that, it'll give you time to get off of there. So we'll set that to 5 minutes, and then we'll run the program. So the Set program timers have been sent to the device, and now this product is set for a specific program for the specific application that reader needs.